Welcome back. In today's video, we'll walk through the basics of object selection. To select an object, simply tap on it. When you click on an object, you'll notice something important happens. Gizmos appear. These gizmos are the small 3D control handles that appear on the selected object. You can use them to move, rotate, or scale the object. Not only do the gizmos appear, but you'll also notice that the toolbars on the left side of the screen change. When an object is not selected, the toolbar might show General Scene Tools. When an object is selected, the toolbar updates to display transformation tools, such as Move, Rotate, and Scale, allowing you to modify the object easily. When you click on an empty area of the workspace, the object is deselected, and the gizmos disappear. This gives you a clean slate to select a new object or manipulate other parts of your scene. And that's it. Selection is a crucial step in working with Prisma 3D. Remember, tap to select an object and the gizmos will appear. Use the gizmos to move, rotate, or scale. Click on a blank space to deselect your object. See you in the next video.